Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft Journey. In this video, I'm going to make 5 easy Mother's Day cards. Let's draw and cut the plant and some leaves. I have taken a square with 5 cm width to cut a flower. Now I am going to cut this flower from a colored card. So I have taken a red color here. You can use any color you like. You can take any matching color for the middle section of the flower. Here I have taken a glitter sheet of yellow color. First, I am going to cut letter M. I have taken a glitter sheet here. If you don't have a glitter sheet with you, you can use colored cards, foam sheets or any kind of paper. We need 2 M's, therefore I am going to cut another M. Now I am going to make a cute and easy rose with a circle with radius of 5 centimeters. Now we can write the message. Divide into 6 sections, 4 centimeters each. Take 8 centimeters as the height. We need to fold from these places. Now draw a half circle with radius of 4 cm and cut. I have taken a red color card to cut the flower section. Draw 2 half circles with radius of 4 cm and 6 cm respectively. Now draw the petals using the 2 half circles as the guide and cut. We need 2 of these. Now cut a circle with radius of 4 cm for the middle section of the flower. You can write your message here. I have taken a paper mat here. If you don't have a paper mat, you can cut a design with normal color papers. Now cut a circle with a radius matching to the paper mat. Now we can write the message. Okay, now I'm going to finish my card with a ribbon bow. This card is made as a lady's blouse design. Here I have taken a color A4. You can also take a printed design here. Now I'm going to cut the collars. So for that I have taken a glitter sheet. You can also take any type of paper with a matching color. I have cut the buttons with same paper. You can use any other color or pearls or even actual buttons here. Now we can write the message. Hope you like our Mother's Day cards. Subscribe to Craftgenic and press the bell icon to get notifications for upcoming videos.